Hook, hook. Today, we map the city by the way it sounds to heal. Calibrate to the foundation. Even rain keeps time when asked.
Steam, inside voice.
Paid forward in quiet. Softer edges, truer center. Travelers ride better in E-flat. Count gently. Conversation, not clamor. Let breezes sing, not shout.
Approach knowledge on soft feet.
Time can whisper too. Turn fear pockets into chords. Keep listening. Air should be seen only by how it helps. Language follows kindness. Adjacent does not mean adversary. Pockets of deliberate silence. Crossings should reassure. Music deserves focus.
Turn pages kindly.
Mass tamed by texture. Navigation by nuance. Let the hill do the lifting. Algebra of sound. Arrivals, not alarms. "40 soft places."
Healing has a key.
Distance equals dignity. Homes close kindly. Wind wants form. Every count a courtesy. Heavy can be polite. Between quiet and song.
Joy with boundaries.
Second half, same care. Climb without arguing. Let the sky have a choir. neighbors in rhythm. Art enters quietly. Edges sip, not shout. Turn the city toward velvet. Dusk needs guidance. Necklace of breath. Announce, don't startle. Seams deserve peace. Even the cartographer needs fuel. Sanctuaries tune themselves if we listen.
70 kindnesses audible.
Structure sighs when ignored. City woo lullaby begins. Night appetite kindly. Midnight, everywhere lighter. Let wind be wind. Midnight should bow.
Harbor hums to sleep.
Ground noise, raise meaning.
Thank you for the music.
Back to the map.
Evening breathing well.
Return on soft rungs. The city holds together by sound.
Good night in 4 syllables.
Edges tucked. Ears grow by using them.
$93.
The map holds. Good instruments obey quiet. Caretaker kept. Filed, not finished. Arrive softer. Leave lighter. Let the world rest.